This is a Japanese helicopter from Matsumoto. Guinness calls it the smallest. 2 stacked rotors spin opposite ways, so there's no tail rotor and it stays stable. It flies 50 miles on 5 gallons, and you can add a parachute because it can't auto-rotate. Sonex is saying today, you can build a tiny personal jet. It's an aluminum kit with retractable gear cruising 230 miles per hour. The early JSX-1 led to the JSX-2 with wider fuselage. It flew in 2014 and costs about $137,000. Think of an airplane's power, but shrunk into a backpack. That's basically what the copterpack is trying to be, an electric backpack helicopter made in Australia. It uses carbon fiber with 2 rotors on either side or batteries built into the frame. You control it with 2 hand joysticks, and it has a self-leveling autopilot. A 2021 test video showed it flying while tethered, but later, people noticed edits that hid the tether. Even so, the tethered tests still helped engineers learn a lot. Artist Kazuhiko Hachiya teamed up with engineer Satoru Shinoe and aircraft Olympos to build the M02J. It's a jet glider with an AMT Nike engine and a speed around 56 miles per hour. You fly face down, steering by shifting weight. It wowed Japan in 2016 and Oshkosh in 2019. Poland's aviation is advancing, and the J6 Forata proves it. It's a 1-seat motor glider built from composites. It runs a 52 horsepower Honda engine. With a 41-foot wingspan, it glides well. Dyke Delta is one of those DIY American planes that just feel different in a cool way. It has a Delta-shaped wing and room for 4 people. The pilot sits in front with 3 passengers behind. It's about 19 feet long with a 22-foot wingspan. It was about 13 feet wide and 8 feet long, and it weighed less than 254 pounds. It used 10 electric motors with propellers to lift and fly smoothly. It was shown in 2018 and tested a lot, over 25,000 flights with 111 flyers. But the project ended in June 2020 because they couldn't find a strong market, and the company shut down in September 2022. You can still see one at the American Helicopter Museum. We're back in the US, and you can actually build your own airplane by hand. It's called the Baker Supercat, created by Bobby Baker in the mid-1980s. It has an open cockpit and regular landing gear, and it's mostly made from wood with foam ribs and then covered like a real aircraft. It's about 15 feet 8 inches long and weighs 325 pounds. The wings come off, so it's easier to move and store. Argentine designer Agusto Oldero is a helicopter legend. Fans still talk about his ideas and the mark he left on aviation. The CH-7 Compressed Charlie II, a 2-seat helisport kit. It flies 298 miles and adds carbon blades plus a voice checklist. Russia's Alexei Dobryakov built the Chelka to be super simple. They use carbon fiber and aluminum tubes with fabric skins, so some, like the Chelka 2, weigh about 150 pounds. You can choose mid, high, or parasol wing setups, and he shows building and testing on YouTube.